and Assalamualaikum. Today I'm Siti and Maisarah Binti Tajul Ariffin and my partner Nick Nur Fatihah Binti Nick Mohd Fadzil. We want to explain about Vlookup and Hlookup. As we know, lookup have two functions, which is V vertical lookup and H horizontal lookup. Okay, now let me see what's meant by Vlookup and Hlookup. Okay, the Vlookup function performs a vertical lookup by searching for a value in the first column of a table and returning the value in the same row in the index number position. The Vlookup function is a built-in function in Excel that is categorized as a lookup reference function. Okay, for Hlookup, used when your comparison value are located in a row across the top of a table of data and you want to look down a specified number of rows. Use Vlookup when your comparison value are located in a column to the left of the data you want to find. The H in Hlookup stands for horizontal. Okay, now how to use a lookup in Excel? You have a table of data and you want Excel to look up a certain value and return a corresponding value in a different row. For that, you need a lookup function. Excel has a range of functions that you can use to achieve this, including Vlookup, Hlookup, and the more flexible but slightly more complicated combination of index and match. Although the Excel lookup function can seem quite straightforward, it's very easy to get the wrong answer if you don't fully understand how they work. Okay, now let me see the tutorial for Vlookup. Okay, here is a lookup function for Vlookup because it has a column header, which is a sales agent, quantity, revenue, price, and customer. Okay, now we want to find agent report, which is the question need a select agent, find price, and find customer. Okay, for select agent, first thing first, we go to data and then we choose data validation. Okay, instead of any value, we choose list, and then for source, we choose sales agent, and then we press shift, control, and down, and then enter. Okay, now we can choose which agent that we need. Okay, so now I choose agent D. Okay, next step we want to find price. Okay, for find price, okay, we must type Vlookup. Okay, choose Vlookup. So automatically we will see the Vlookup formula here. Okay, for lookup value, we choose agent D, comma, table area. We choose all of this data like this. And then we press shift, control, and down. Okay, we comma. And then column index. For column index, we look here. For price, the column index in the fourth. So we press fourth. And then range lookup. For range lookup, normally we will choose false for exact match. So like this. Close bracket and then enter. Okay, so we got 59. So we recheck here for agent D, the price is 59. Same like this, right? Okay, next, last, we want to find customer. Same like find price. We press a Vlookup, then it will appear Vlookup formula, lookup value. We choose agent D, comma, table area, just same like before the previous days. Okay, shift, control, and down, comma, column index for customer. It is fifth, so we press fifth, and then we choose false. Close the bracket and enter. Okay, we check again for agent D. The price is 59 and the customer is customer D. The same like agent report. Okay, now I will pass to my partner for tutorial Hlookup.
Hi, I'm Fatihah, and so now I will show the lookup function in Lookup version. Lookup is stands for horizontal lookup and can be used to retrieve information from a table by searching a row for the matching data and outputting the corresponding column. In case of the data provided to you in this way, and you want to use the same type of lookup or overview report from the Vlookup, you will have to use Lookup function. In the same manner, if you want to find price for the selected agent for this table, so for the example, if we want to find price for the agent E, we're gonna write #lookup. So here appear lookup value. So this lookup value is agent E, comma. We select table array from the agent A to agent S. All the data we want to find the answer. And next, the row index number instead of column index. And so for the row index number, basically in which row the answer you want. So if you want to find the answer for the price, you should move 1, 2, 3, 4. Price is in the fourth column. Sorry, fourth row. So the price is in the fourth row. So this last argument is the most important to get right. If you lookup value is text another number, if you leave it empty, it default to true, which means that an exact match is not necessary. But it's required that your lookup row is sorted in ascending order. If it's not sorted in ascending order and you leave this argument empty, then you're probably going to receive an error. So basically, I always put false in the last argument, meaning that this should be an exact match. I recommend that you generally put this false as well. So the price for the agent E is 61. We get the same answer from the data. So I will show you the same formula from the #lookup to find the customer for agent E. Put #lookup. We look up the value. Lookup value is agent E. And we put the table array from the agent A to agent S. All the data we want to find the answer. And the row index for the customer is in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Customer is in the row 5. And as well put false. Answer for agent E for the customer is customer E. From this report, you can find another price and agent for the agent, for the example, for the agent H. So for the agent H, price is 37, same as well from the data. Customer for agent H is customer H, exactly same from the data. I will show you if you want to find revenue for the agent H. We use the #lookup function as well. value, agent H, double array from the agent A to agent S. Row index for the revenue is 1, 2, 3. Put 3. Answer for the revenue to agent H is 3, 3, 3. We want to find agent A. For the price, customer, and revenue, the price for agent A is 30, customer for agent A is customer A, and the revenue for the agent A is 150. And that's all. The lookup function for Vlookup and Hlookup. And thank you for watching.